Alright, so we're going to talk a little bit about negative exponents. When dealing with negative exponents, what I would do is I would first just add exponents if I am multiplying, like in this situation, or if you're dividing, subtract. So I'm going to reorganize everything and then add my exponents like we've been doing. So here you've got 2 times 4, so that becomes 8. You have m to the 4th power, m to the negative 2. So you just do 4 plus your negative 2. So you'll get m to the positive 2 power. And then again, adding the exponents, the 6 and the negative 6 and 2, which gives you negative 4. So here, this is where you have to deal with the negative exponents. Any whole number can always be written over 1. And if you have your n to the negative 4 in the numerator, you then have to switch it to the bottom. And what that does, it allows the exponent to now become positive. Okay, so let's take a look at that. So here, okay, I've got the 7. I notice that I have a y to the 0 power, so that cancels out. So I'm left with just the 7x on the top. And then I've got negative 6, and then y to the 4 on the bottom. So now I have to deal with the x's. So you have x to the 1st power, x to the negative 6 power. So again, we're subtracting. So we have 1 minus negative 7. Okay, so that becomes plus, which is 8. So the question becomes, all right, where does this, oh, it's supposed to be, thank you for, I know you guys were all looking at that, like, that is not right, because that should be a 6, so it should be 7. So where does this x to the 7th power go? So if it is, if you did 1 minus negative 6, then it's going to go on the top. So you'll have x to the 7th power over y to the 4th. The other way of looking at this is to take my original problem, and I could have moved this x to the negative 6 power up to the numerator to begin with. And sometimes this is helpful to kind of keep all of your exponents positive. So now we would have just added the 1 plus 6, and you would have gotten your final answer as 7x to the 7th power over y to the 4th power.